For large workplaces or those with high injury risks, having a dedicated first aid room can significantly improve the level of care available to injured employees. According to the HSE guidance, first aid rooms are recommended for workplaces with high-risk activities such as factories, construction sites or laboratories, large businesses with over 250 employees, and finally, workplaces where employees handle hazardous substances or dangerous machinery. A first aid room should include a first aid couch or a bed, a sink with running water, first aid supplies and equipment, and a phone for contacting emergency services. Employers should ensure that a trained first aider is responsible for the room's upkeep and that it's regularly stocked and maintained.